Namaste to everyone present in this session. Today we are going to study Vedic check or correctness of result obtained with the help of Bijank or digit sum. Bijank means conversion of any number into a single digit. It is done by addition of digits of number. If the addition is two or more digit number, then digits of addition are further added to get a single digit. We take one example to understand. Say 23. For the number 23, the Bijank will be 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 5 will be Bijank for 23. If we want to find Bijank of say 21302, then it will be 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 2, which is equal to 8. So 8 will be the required Bijank. For 76, we get 7 plus 6 equal to 13. But 13 is a two digit number. So digits of this addition are further added to get 1 plus 3, 4. So 4 is Bijank for 76. So every number, no matter how long, can be reduced to a single figure. Its digit sum. Now we are going to study easy way of finding Bijank. If any number with a 9, we can delete the 9. Also, if any pair or group of digits which add up to 9 can be deleted. We take one example to find Bijank of 49. This 9 can be deleted and Bijank will be 4 only. If we want to find Bijank of 1999, so these 9s can be deleted. Bijank is 1. This is because that adding 9 to a number does not affect its digit sum. We take one more example, say 95142. Here this 9 can be deleted and sum of 5 and 4 is 9. So this group can be deleted and 1 plus 2, 3 will be the Bijank. To find Bijank of 39979, these 9s can be deleted and 3 plus 7 is 10 and 1 plus 0 is 1. So Bijank will be 1. Now with the help of Bijank, correctness of result of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squares, cubes, all can be checked. The process is, first of all, find the Bijank of the numbers. Follow the same operation like addition, multiplication, etc. as has been done for these numbers. And find the answer in Bijank form. If this Bijank and the Bijank of actual answer tallies, then the operation carried is correct. Let us take few examples with different operations to check the correctness. For 26 plus 15 equal to 41. To check the correctness of this result of addition, first we find Bijank of 26, which is 8. Bijank of 15 is 1 plus 5, 6. And on addition of these two Bijanks, 8 plus 6, 14. 14 is 1 plus 4, 5. So Bijank of left part is 5. Also we see Bijank of right part is 4 plus 1, 5. As two Bijanks are equal, so we can say the result is correct. We take one more example. We take example of subtraction. 39 minus 14 equal to 25. Here Bijank of 39, this 9 can be deleted, will be 3. And Bijank of 14 will be 5. But 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Whenever Bijank is negative, then make it positive by adding 9 to it. So minus 2 plus 9 is 7. And for RHS, the Bijank is 2 plus 5, 7. As Bijank of both sides equal, so the answer is correct. For multiplication, say 43 into 23 equal to 989. To check the result, Bijank of numbers of left hand side multipliers 4 plus 3 is 7, 2 plus 3 5, and product of Bijanks will be 7 into 5, which is 35, and Bijank of 35 is 8. Now Bijank of right side, these two 9s will be deleted, is 8. So our answer is correct. To check Bijank of square, 11 square is 121. So first we find Bijank of the number 11, which is 1 plus 1 2, and square of Bijank is 4. Also Bijank of RHS is 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. So our answer is correct. To check the correctness of cube, 15 cube is 3375. To check whether it is correct or not, we find Bijank of 15, which is 1 plus 5 equal to 6. So 6 cube. 6 cube is 216, and Bijank of 216 is 9. And of RHS, the Bijank will be 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 5 is 18, and 1 plus 8 is 9. So Bijank of both sides equal. So the answer is correct. To check Bijank for division, to check correctness of division, say 48 divided by 23 is equal to, here we get quotient 2 and remainder 2. To check the correctness of this result, we use formula dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here dividend is 48, and Bijank of 48 is 8 plus 4 10, 8 plus 4 is 12, and 1 plus 2 is 3. And divisor is 23, and Bijank of 23 is 5, and quotient is 2, and remainder is 2. For right part, 5 into 2 10, 10 plus 2 12. So Bijank of 12 is 3. As Bijank of both sides equal, so we can say this division is correct. But please remember, perfect squares won't have 2, 3, 7, 8 or single 0 as last digit. And Bijank of cube of any number is always 1, 9 or 8. And 9 is equivalent to 0 in case of Bijank. And Bijank is simply remainder obtained by division by 9. Thank you.